Hi, my name is Abiel Gatherum, and I'm talking about how microwaves work. Microwaves have become a staple in everyday life. We use them all the time to cook food because it saves a lot of time and allows us to eat faster. But this brings up a question. How do microwaves work? Microwaves use a wave on the electromagnetic spectrum called microwaves to heat food. On the electromagnetic spectrum, we have X-rays, which have a short frequency and wavelength and are used to scan bones and other materials in bodies. Next is ultraviolet waves, and these are going to be useful for many things, including killing bacteria and hardening resins and plastics, and they have a more medium wavelength and a medium frequency. After ultraviolet light is visible light. Visible light has a medium frequency and wavelength and is the only part of the spectrum that humans can see. Then we have microwaves. Microwaves have a very long wavelength and low frequency. These are used in our kitchen microwaves and are able to heat objects at a fast rate. So you're probably wondering, how do the microwaves actually get into your microwave? And the answer is that they are created using a magnetron. The magnetron uses a vacuum-sealed chamber to transform the energy and put it into the microwave to your actual microwaves that heat food. This magnetron uses a funnel and a grate to allow in the FDA-approved size of microwaves into the chamber. Because microwaves can be potentially dangerous other than the small grid which allows the microwaves to come in, the rest of the food container is surrounded by metal. This metal box also allows microwaves to bounce off the sides and onto your food, which helps it heat up. The front of the microwave is also covered in metal, except for the area which you can see through. Instead of this area being covered in metal, it is a grid of metal strips which have small enough holes that microwaves cannot fit through, but large enough holes that light waves can still fit through, which allows you to see the food you are heating up. Now that we have a background information of how microwaves work, we can get into how it heats up food. When you put your food into the microwave, it contains tiny particles of water. This water is what allows your food to heat up. The microwaves transfer their energy to the water in the food, which spreads to the rest of the food. Your food spins in the microwave so that the microwaves can target water molecules all around the food, and not just in one specific area. This allows for even heating in your food. Now, next time you go to heat up your mac and cheese, you will know just what is happening to make it warm.